story becomes more ghastly with each report.
So I asked my dad if I could drive the new Challenger that he got, and he said no. So I'm gonna take it anyways and see how it goes. Hey! Just the guy I was looking for. Okay.
What's your plan?
I really want to take the Challenger for a drive. And my dad said no. So, I mean, it's easier to say sorry later on, you know, and ask for permission, one of those type of things.
Okay, you haven't even got the gate open.
Okay, well, go, come on.
What?
We gotta hurry.
Okay, he always right here.
It's a Hemi.
He's right here?
I know.
He's right there.
Okay, so.
Where's Allysa? My darling daughter.
I'm seriously so excited.
Hey, don't wreck it.
Smells new. Come on, Will.
Allysa, it doesn't take that long to pee.
Will, get in here with me. Come on. I don't want to go by myself.
No, you're fine.
Come on.
No, just go.
Will,
I'll cover.
please. What are you gonna say? How you?
That you ran to the store real quick because it's 100 degrees. You're thirsty.
You're such a buzzkill.
No, there's a two-door car. I'm not sitting in the back.
Okay, fine. Okay. Woo! Ooh, I like that.
Hello?
Oh, excuse me.
Are you peeing? She's not even in there. Where's Allysa?
She took off in your car.
In my car?
Oh, the orange Challenger.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
She better not have drove it at all.
She's in it down the street.
The car's got 697 miles on it.
Okay, well,
And she asked me the other day, and I said, not on your life are you driving that car.
she's out. That's what she's doing. We just seen her pull out.
Woo! Yeah. We have people that just want to go the speed limit.
Will,
Yeah,
did she drive my car?
she's in the orange car.
Why?
I have no idea. Just go.
Will,
I'll cover for.
Please. What are you gonna say? How you?
That you ran to the store real quick because it's 100 degrees. You're thirsty.
She asked me specifically the other day if she could drive it, and I go, it's got 697 miles on it. Nobody's driving it. I'm not driving it.
It's been sitting.
I didn't think about going back. That's a little scary of a thought, but this is exciting.
Hear that?
Oh.
Hey, you know f***ing well I told you not to drive that car. I specifically told you not to drive that car yesterday.
Well, we just went around the block, Dad.
No, we're gonna take that up later. That's bull.